Good day, farmers. Good day, agribusiness people. Today, I'm not going to share about weather-related risks, as these are the risks which are very common in the crop production. But I would really like to share on a particular effect which has to do with chemicals. There are risks which are related to chemical effect. There is what we call chemical drifting. Suppose it's a farm, a nearby farm, which is trying to control a certain pest or a certain weed, but the drifting of that chemical to the nearby farm, henceforth getting an issue which will tend to have an outcome that has an effect of that particular chemical to a certain crop on the nearby farm, and that particular crop gets affected. So these are the common challenges, but rare, where we have these issues compromising the yield, compromising the crop health status, and so forth. When it happens, most of the farmers, they tend not to be prepared for such. So these are the kind of challenges and risks which most farmers should get prepared for and get cover for. So we really encourage farmers to get cover for such particular risk, so that they tend not to get an effect or a compromise on their financial anticipations from their crop production. Get a cover for such particular risks. It's not only about weather-related risks, but we have so many risks in particular.